Welcome back to our channel, Travel Enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a common travel dilemma: garment bag versus suitcase. Whether you're a frequent business traveler or planning your next vacation, choosing the right luggage can make all the difference. Let's break it down and see which option suits your travel needs best. Size and capacity. First up, let's talk about size and capacity. Garment bags are specifically designed to carry suits, dresses, and other delicate clothing items without wrinkling. They typically have a slim profile and can hold a few outfits along with some accessories. On the other hand, suitcases come in various sizes, from carry-ons to large check bags, offering more space for a wider range of items. If you need to pack more than just clothes, a suitcase might be the better option.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Portability. Next, we have portability. Garment bags are often lightweight and come with a shoulder strap or handles, making them easy to carry. They're great for short trips or if you're traveling by car. Suitcases, however, usually have wheels and a retractable handle, making them easier to maneuver through airports, train stations, and city streets. If you have a lot of walking or long distances to cover, a suitcase can save you a lot of effort. Organization. Now let's discuss organization. Garment bags are designed to keep your clothes wrinkle-free and usually come with multiple compartments for shoes, ties, and other accessories. They keep your formal wear in pristine condition. Suitcases, however, offer a variety of organizational features like zippered compartments, mesh pockets, and compression straps. They allow you to pack a wider range of items in an organized manner. If you prefer to have everything in one place, a suitcase might be more suitable. Durability. Moving on to durability. Garment bags are typically made of fabric and are best suited for gentle handling. They protect your clothes from wrinkles, but may not withstand rough handling. Suitcases, especially hard-shell ones, are built to be more robust and can endure the rigors of travel, including being tossed around by baggage handlers. If you're traveling by air and need something that can take a beating, a suitcase is the way to go. Security. Security is another important factor. Garment bags usually come with basic zippers and may not offer much in terms of theft protection. Suitcases, however, often come with built-in locks or can be secured with additional travel locks, providing better security for your belongings. If you're carrying valuable items or electronics, a suitcase offers better peace of mind. Convenience for specific trips. Let's consider the convenience for specific trips. If you're going on a short business trip and need to bring formal wear, a garment bag is ideal as it keeps your clothes ready to wear straight out of the bag. For longer vacations or trips that require a variety of clothing and accessories, a suitcase offers the versatility and space you need. Think about the nature of your trip when making your decision. Storage when not in use. Finally, let's talk about storage when not in use. Garment bags are slim and can be easily stored in a closet or under a bed. They don't take up much space and are easy to tuck away. Suitcases, especially larger ones, can be bulky and require more storage space. If you have limited storage at home, this is something to consider. Outro. Host. So there you have it, folks. A comprehensive comparison of garment bags versus suitcases. Both have their pros and cons, and the best choice depends on your specific travel needs. Whether you prioritize wrinkle-free clothes or need to pack a variety of items, there's an option that's right for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and reviews. Share your thoughts and experiences with garment bags and suitcases in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy travels.